Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I'm going to talk about Obsidian. For those who don't know, Obsidian is a note-taking software where you can link notes to each other by putting links inside their text. But the most powerful part of Obsidian are the community plugins. They allow us to create so many customized notes like a Trello card system or whiteboards where we can draw and type what we want. We can also do task tracking through days. However, I've noticed that there wasn't much content about finished vaults on YouTube. There is a lot of videos covering plugins in general, but not that much on specific use cases like the RPG serie from Josh Plunkett, who's covering a finished vault with combinations of plugins. When people start using Obsidian, they don't know where to start or where to go to achieve what they are looking for. When I started using Obsidian, I wanted to create a vault that served me daily. I'm going back to school in September and I've noticed that I learn a lot of things every day and I just forgot them along the way by learning new things. However, when I started out, there were so many plugins available that I was a bit overwhelming. I struggled for weeks really to achieve what I was looking for, and sometimes I really felt like Obsidian wouldn't allow me to do certain things. But the truth is, with Obsidian you can do almost anything you want. It just takes time and a lot of tries to find what works the best for you. That's why I want to show people how to use Obsidian with practical examples and certain use cases where we use plugin combination in their final form. We will work together to rebuild some part of my vault. However, keep in mind that nobody is using Obsidian for the same purpose, so it may vary depending on your needs. But I hope these videos can be helpful and give ideas to as many people as it can. And to make it easier for you, I'm gonna split this playlist into small videos to make it easier to find later on your building process. So stay tuned for more Obsidian videos and join me in exploring the world of Obsidian.